Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here to show you how you can download Coinbase Wallet on your Android smartphone. First of all, what is Coinbase Wallet? Coinbase Wallet is the most user-friendly self-custody experience, unlocking the entire world of crypto on your fingertips, where you can store and view all of your alternative crypto coins. So to download your Coinbase wallet on your Android smartphone, first of all, you need to see if you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, I have a stable Wi-Fi connection. So after making sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi internet connection on your smartphone, go onto your Play Store. And after you open up Play Store, tap on the search icon and search for Coinbase Wallet. And after searching of Coinbase Wallet, and after the result pops up on your screen, click on Coinbase Wallet, NFT and Crypto. And as you can see, there is an install button in front of your screen. Hit on install and Coinbase Wallet would be installed in your mobile phone. Depending upon the speed of your internet connection, it might take a bit of time to be installed. As you can see, Coinbase Wallet has been installed on my smartphone. Now I can open the application and use it to your advantage to store and view all your alternative crypto coins. Thank you guys for watching. This was for this video. I hope you guys like our video and subscribe to the channel and put the bell notification on so you never miss an update from our video. Drop a comment for more reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.